On January 15, 2025, the 5G4LIVES EU co-funded project team gathered in the heart of Torino at the premises of Turin House of Emerging Technologies CTE Next on a pivotal day of collaboration and innovation about 5G and advanced urban air mobility in Turin and Riga. The day began with a warm welcome over coffee and an inspiring introduction about the Turin innovation ecosystem, which recently led the city of Torino to be awarded as the European Capital of Innovation 2024-2025, opened the assembly. Then, updates from the project's key work packages followed smoothly, from financial insights to detailed updates on progress and goals, as well as communication advancements. The agenda was packed with meaningful content. Topics ranged from flight zone preparations for pilot tests of 5G-enabled unmanned aerial vehicles in search and rescue operations, and the critical work of the command and control centers of first responders in Riga and Torino. A forward-thinking perspective on expected tasks and partner engagement in promoting wider cooperation at EU level on enabling testing areas, as well as regulatory sandboxes, rounded out the session. The day concluded with a moment of reflection and informal discussions, a chance to connect, exchange ideas, and prepare for what lies ahead. This was more than just a meeting. It was a collective step forward in shaping the future of urban air mobility and leveraging 5G technology for life-saving innovations.